Thermoplastics, substances, especially synthetic resins, that become plastic on heating and harden on cooling and are able to repeat these processes, or a type of plastic that can be softened by heat, hardened by cooling, and then softened by heat over and over again. Properties of thermoplastics. Thermoplastics have wide-ranging properties. They can be very much like rubber, or as strong as aluminium. Are light in weight, can withstand temperature extremes of up to 600 F, while others retain their properties at 100 F. Some thermoplastic materials have no known solvents at room temperature. Most thermoplastic materials are excellent insulators, both electrical and thermal. Are recyclable materials that are used frequently today to create objects such as foam cups, polyethylene squeeze bottles, acrylic lenses, and safety helmets. In general, the combination of lightweight, high strength, and low processing costs make thermoplastics well suited to many applications. Uses. They are useful for a variety of applications, including consumer goods, machine parts, medical equipment, and packaging and storage materials. Examples: PVC/vinyl polystyrene polyethylene cellulose acetate PTFE/Teflon nylon/polyamide polyester.